Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the Maxdome real-life camera. This is a Wi-Fi mobile phone transmission app compatible solar battery powered and solar powered 5200 milliampere hour battery powered night vision detector wildlife camera with 0.1 second fast reaction with a good night vision and IP66 waterproof, so you can use it, of course, outdoor. This camera has a powerful 5200 milliampere hour battery and on top solar function. In sunlight, it will automatically charge and ensure that it is ready for use in remote areas in any time, which ensures a stable and almost infinite energy supply. The screenless wildlife camera has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology with a minimal power consumption. The free and easy to use app TrailCam Go, you can download it. TRAILCAM Go. The distance between the phone and camera should be approximately 15 meters and must not be blocked. You can get the app out of the App Store by Apple or Google Play Store. 50 meters is the range. The wildlife camera do not have to be connected to our domestic Wi-Fi. The wildlife camera comes with a good resolution, 48 megapixel and 1296 pixel for videos. It delivers exceptional image quality. Even the finest details of wild animals and their surroundings are precisely captured. And this wildlife camera comes with a sensitive motion detector and night vision. Because we have an ultra sensitive motion detector which reacts within 0.1 seconds. This capturing any animal that enters the field of view. The advanced night vision technology allows a clear recording even in the dark without disturbing the natural night activity of the animals and allows the investigation and recording of secret behaviors. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Free app for iOS and Android devices. Solar panel included. Finely built battery included. 5200 milliampere hour lithium battery, which is not removable or replaceable. But you do not have to do that because you have solar powered. Because solar power means solar charging, energy saving, and in an ecological desirable way to use that. You do not have to replace the battery. And app connection to view the download and share the captured images. It indicates the range of the Wi-Fi is a maximum of 55 feet. It has no reminder function. The connecting of the home Wi-Fi is of course not supported because it is a standalone device. And we can have 365 days of power supply because solar powered. Two power supplies. We have the battery for night and we have the solar for the daytime. And of course you can connect it to a USB-C source to use it wired. And custom shooting areas. Reduce unnecessary footage and optimize the battery life and storage space if we like that using the app. And the camera automatically takes photo at a set interval and create a video from them. If you not like this is a time-lapse video. And map. We can mark the location of the camera with the navigation to the location of the camera is possible by using the app. And we have high resolution images, 48 megapixels available, and 1296p at 30 frames. This is a good frames and a good resolution for good videos. And in a hot and rain and snow areas, no prop because it's IP66 waterproof. Minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees Celsius, no prop for that camera. 0.1 second release speed, 0.1 second release speed, and a wide detection range is included. We have a a nice 20-meter trigger area, an 0.1 trigger speed, so that is fast enough. And we have a crystal clear night vision, intelligent low glow night vision included, baby. So that's a good thing in this price range. It is really cool because it's app connected, Type-C data cable connected if we need it, or we can use a card reader to get the informations out of the micro SD card. We can use the MagDome on a farm, on a garden, on an animal observation, wildlife monitoring, where we like it. MagDome have put our heart and soul into the further development of their research and development and are committed to follow the wildlife more closely without disturbing their fragile world. The mission is to understand the pulse of wildlife, and here you can perform this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.